Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix the verification required issue on Discord. I ran into the verification required message on Discord once, and it can be pretty annoying when you're just trying to open the app and chat. So the first thing I tried was a quick refresh of the app stored data. On Android, I press and held the Discord app icon, tap the app info option, and scroll down to the storage section. Inside there, you'll see option to clear cache and clear data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing the issue, and clearing the data resets the app so it starts fresh the next time you open it. After doing that, I launched Discord again and signed back into my account. In most cases, that's enough to fix the verification problem. If the error still shows up, another simple trick is to uninstall and reinstall Discord, which installs a clean version of the app. It's a quick fix but surprisingly effective when Discord decides to act stubborn. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.